Hey, my name is Letitia Ferguson, and today I'm going to show you guys an easy and simple way to create a card and a gift tag mock-up to post on your social media instead of creating the real deal. Yeah, come on, let's get started. Alrighty, so we're going to actually go ahead and start in Canva. We already have our template, so it's going to look just like this. So let me bring in our template in so we can go ahead and get started. And basically, this is what we're going to create: a Christmas card and also a gift tag. Alrighty, so let's get started. I have my prompt at the bottom, and both of the prompts is going to give me what I need. And so if you go ahead and purchase the template right along with the template, it'll be the prompt. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and go to my elements right over here, and I'm going to go ahead and go to create your own. And basically, I'm going to get my words. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and pull up our background. So I'm going to say a vivid, detailed digital illustration of a Christmas cozy setting. There's a blazing fireplace with a beautiful wreath, a Christmas tree that has green and red ornaments with lights. There are presents under the tree, and the image is fun and festive. Let's go ahead and say that. Fun and festive. So let's go ahead and copy this, and we're going to drop it right over here, and it's going to say generate. Now that's going to generate, and we're going to be able to go ahead and build that up. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and pull up a new page. And our new page, we're going to go to oh, here they go. Okay, so let's see what we got. Alrighty, so we got this one. This one, I like that one. That is really nice. That's nice as well. I love the proportion of it and how you can see everything. Now, this one is nice. It looked like a storybook to me. This would be a really cute storybook. Alrighty, so once you go ahead and click them, they automatically save to your upload, so you're good to go. Now, one thing I'm going to do is just take it off, and I'm going to go to my square, and I'm going to originally my card will be 5 by 7, but because I need to be able to see it, so it's going to be a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna just do it 5, and I'm gonna go out wide as I can. Oh, so let's say 5. I should be good. 5, and then we're gonna say 7. Alrighty, so this is how big my Christmas card is. I'm going to go back to my uploads, and I'm going to just choose one of them. Trying to see which one I want. Okay, so no, I think I'm going to go with this one. Nope, that one. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I line it up, bring it down, and I'm going to just start sizing it up into my rectangle. Alrighty, perfect. Now one thing I am going to do, just like I have up here, I'm going to go ahead and add in my words. So you can do two things. You can do it as you build it up by going like this. So you'll have this, and then you can go ahead and just add the words. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to just build on our template instead of downloading and adding it, because at the end of the day, you know, we're not reselling this. We're reselling the template, not the actual card. This is just a mock-up for my business. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and go basically back to elements. And in elements, I'm going to go back to generate, and I'm going to get my other one. So my other one was a vivid detail airbrush digital illustration of an African American. You can choose whatever race you want, in a Christmas cozy setting in front facing. She is front facing with the updo hairstyle. She is wearing a large, thick, square frame glasses and red hair bow and a Christmas shirt. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to drop it down here. I'm going to click generate and see what I can find. Now for right here, our gift tag, let's go ahead and add the same image. So you can go ahead and is this one? Yes. So you can go ahead and just drop it in as well. So we're going to build on that. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. So we got see results. Oh my goodness, they look so cute. So let's go ahead and add a new page. Oh, I love them. Yes, look at the hair. It's so cute. Okay, so we're going to pick and choose which one we want. Let's see. This is really giving me like a 70s, 80s vibe. So that's what I really love about these. Let me see. I might go ahead and choose this one as one of them. So I love the background. Honestly, if you want to, you can just go ahead and grab it and just drop it in as well. That'll be a cute card as well. So you don't have to do all the other stuff that I'm doing by just doing separate backgrounds. And I technically, I don't know, I'm feeling this. I am really feeling this. It got the bows. It got the little cranberries. Yeah, I think I might have to go with this. Okay, so So let's do this. We're gonna do both. Okay. So we're gonna take this page off. Let's do both. I'm really feeling that. So if I was to go ahead and just use this right here, I'm gonna remove the background. And I'm going to use my keypad cursor to move it. So I'm going to click on it and then use the keypad cursor instead of moving it with my mouse. Because if I move it with my mouse, it does this. See that? And I don't want that. So I'm going to move it with my hand. My cursor on my keyboard. My arrows. There we go. That's cute. That's really cute. Even though I'm feeling this background, I might just go ahead and chop and dice it. But that's okay. So next, let's go ahead and find some fonts. Okay. So I want this to say Merry Christmas on this one, the card. So we're going to go to our text and we're going to write Christmas. And I love this one. So you can choose whichever one. I just like the bold font of this. So we're going to say, I'm going to take our in bright. And I'm going to just leave Merry. So we're going to say it just like right here. Okay, so next I'm going to find the word Christmas. And I like this font right here, which is right under it. So it's I'm dreaming of, and then a Merry and Bright are the ones I'm using. So I'm going to take the word white off. I'm going to change the color to black starting off just to get an idea of what I want to do. And I'm going to rotate it, try to rotate it, and I might just push it behind the tag. Okay, so let's go to effects, outline. Let's turn it down a little bit. Let's change this to white. Okay, let's see if Merry, oh wait, wrong one. Let's go to position, and then we're going to go ahead and go to Merry, and then we're going to do effects, and let's see about green. I want more of a darker green. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, so let's leave it like that, and let's kind of move this down a little bit. Slide it over. That's cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to position, and then we're going to duplicate that. And I want to just say her name, Tasha, like to, and we're going to say, well, we'll say Tasha. Okay. Let's rotate it. So to Tasha, and we're going to duplicate this. And we're going to say from Latricia. So this is a cool hack to go ahead and use and create when you want to go ahead and build up something really fast, like you're in a crunch, or you're a new designer and don't know how to really design, this is a perfect way to go ahead and fill that void because you're using the background that's needed. So this is awesome. Okay, let me change the picture because she up here looking like she in jail. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the same one as I got. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I likes that. Let's turn this background because we got to make it our own. Let's see. Okay, nothing. Let's go to position, and we're gonna bring it all the way to the back, right over this, and just bring it down. Oh wow, that is awesome. Okay, look at that. Alrighty, you guys. So we went ahead and changed everything up to make it our own. Got my props. Okay, you guys. So like I said, if you guys go ahead and purchase the template, the prompts will be right along with it. You guys' choice. Where else you guys can go ahead and find your own somewhere else. Alrighty, so this actually, let me go ahead and make the tag a little thicker because I feel like I can't really see it. Oh, perfect. Oh, nice. Okay. Boom. Alrighty, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? Let's go ahead and build up our template so you guys can be able to print it up. So let's say 5x7. Let's go to elements, and we're gonna just make our square, our rectangle. So let's go to position. We're gonna say 5x7, range 5, and then we're gonna say 7. Alrighty, so we're going to go to our uploads and get our image. Where's Sister Girl at? There she go. Perfect. Alrighty. Boom. Alrighty, so honestly, we can go ahead and just grab the fonts that's here and bring it down. Love it. Okay. Boom. Alrighty, so I love this. So let's go ahead and make it a little bit smaller because we need to see it for our eyes that it's a card. So what I'm going to do is click this, it's still in my layers. I'm going to duplicate that, and I'm going to turn it white with a little box around it. So white, and then do a little box around it so my eyes can visually see. Turn this down. Now, one thing I am going to do is go ahead and go to elements, and I'm going to go ahead and grab like a background just to put in there, just so it evens itself out. And that was just my guide. I'm gonna double click it and scoot it over a little bit so it's like a little shown. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to my elements, and I'm going to choose the Christmas order hanging with the garland. I'm going to remove the background and just put it there. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it down some. Alrighty, so I really wanted to stand out, so I'm going to let's go ahead and just do a QR code. So we're going to go to apps, and then we're going to say QR code. And then we're going to go ahead and just type the website, which is shopplb.com. Alrighty, and then we're going to generate something. That's just so if we give this card to anybody else, we want them to go ahead and go to our business page just to view more. I mean, you can put your business page, you can put your website, but I want them to go here so they can view it more. Because what we're doing, we're promoting all the rest of the year. Alrighty, so promoting does not stop. Alrighty, so let's go back up. Let's go to our text, And we're going to take part of it off. You choose any font that you want, and we're going to say to view more. We're going to say to view more, please scan. Alrighty. Now, we can't leave them just like this because we don't want to make it look like, so to view more products, we're going to say products. Products, please scan. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and make it kind of stand out, looking all festive a little bit. Maybe you can put a product that you have, like, and this just came to me. So let's go ahead and put a product that I have to make it stand out, because at the end of the day, like, we want them to come back. So let's do, let's see. So I had a workshop that I did. So I can go ahead and post the workshop. Like, you know, you want to put something in the back that makes it stand out. So I can say, like, my workshop, to go to my website to view VIP. What I do? So let me go ahead and so I'm going to say, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to just basically add this to it. So I'm advertising my workshop. Like, I'm like, okay, go to the website to go ahead and purchase the VIP, where I go ahead and make a sweet design, simply, you know, like that. Okay, so boom, we want to advertise as much as we can. Alrighty, you guys, so this concludes this video. Hopefully you guys go ahead and click the link to join my free group, and I'll see you guys. Bye.